guys, and welcome back to a new video. So in today's video we're totally gonna reorganize the fridge. I'm gonna take everything out, I'm gonna deep clean the fridge and also put everything back in a totally new organized system. So I did an organization video, I would say a couple of months ago, and I can leave it up here for you guys and also down in the description if you want to check that out. I also reorganized my fridge a little bit, but I feel like it was not enough. I want more organization. I want the real home edit version of my fridge. So I actually went out and I got some new storage bins, we got some new containers, some mason jars. So hopefully this video will inspire you to clean and organize your fridge as well. I really want to organize my whole kitchen as well. I feel like after a couple of months it gets a little bit messy and we have gotten some new stuff that is not fitting into the organization that I had. So if you want to see more videos like these ones, leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. And without further ado, if you want to see how I clean, organize and revamp my fridge, then please keep watching. Actually managed to pick up quite different kind of jars. These fits a lot, so I actually am planning on adding our celery juice in these ones. Even if we're not on the cleanse, it's great to have fresh pressed celery juice. Then I also picked up some smaller mason jars. These I will have some blueberries in, pre-cut strawberries, and also blackberries and raspberries and all of that. So I picked up 4, maybe I will go back and buy more. Then I also picked up these ones, which are clear container bins, 2 in medium size. I also picked up this large one. I already have this one for potatoes. I really wanted a new one for sweet potatoes. So these are the medium sized and these are stockable, which I love. And I also picked up a bunch of these smaller ones. So I will go ahead now, peel off all the stickers and clean these.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine?
So I think I will start on the top. This is like somewhat organized, but I will take everything out, I will clean, and then we will rearrange what's on this Lazy Susan and get rid of what is expired, if it is anything. So we will start with this top drawer and then we will work our way through the fridge. So hopefully this will turn out so much better. And then we have this little system right here. I just organized it. We have all the Capri Sun, we have some Coke here, we also have some strawberry and orange juice here for the kid, and then I have all my vitamins right here. So we have the children's DHA, we have my liquid zinc, which is a staple, also my liquid B12, D vitamin, and also probiotic. So I'm loving how this looks right now. So the goal is to get the rest of the fridge looking like this.
In my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side, I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh,
could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go.
So I will continue this vlog tomorrow after I have been to the grocery store and have bought some more veggies, fruits, and also some essentials. So in this one we need to get some more apples, we also need to get bananas, but today it is Sunday, so the stores are closed, so I will have to run to the grocery store tomorrow. After the cleanse we are pretty much out of food, so I need to get some more onions, I need to get some more garlic, carrots, and also some salads. But so far I'm very happy with how everything looks. So hopefully you are enjoying this video so far. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet and you still are watching, be sure to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and put on your post notifications, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. Wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you.
So here are the final results, you guys. I am just so happy with how everything turned out. Like, I will put the before right here so you can actually see it. So look at how organized everything is. Everything is sorted out. It is just so satisfying to watch. So here we have yogurts, then we have a vegan cream cheese, and then we have jams and aioli, and just a bunch of different bread spreads. So up here we have beets, as I am obsessed with. Love. Then we have my maple sour, pure tomato, vegan sour cream, coconut milk, ketchup, and salsa for our tacos. And then we also have a little bit of tahini right here. I am just so pleased with how this turned out. I just love these for storing berries. I will definitely get more of those so I can have my blackberries in one of those as well. So we have blueberry. We actually have 2 of these filled with blueberry. Then we have raspberry, strawberry, and I really recommend you guys to cut everything and wash it so it is ready to go. And then we have our blackberries in this one, and this is from Riviera, and these are from my local grocery store. And by the way, I will leave all of these containers down below so you can check it out. Here we have grapes and my celery for celery juice, and then we also have some fresh watermelon. Then I also added some almond milk right here. So we keep what we use on a daily right here in the door, but I also always have backups. So those are just on the side right there. And moving down here, it is also so organized, as you can see. So I ended up using 3 of these smaller ones right here, and I think it turned out so well. Then I have another one of this long one where we have lemons, and I also have my avocados right there. Then we have 2 of the bigger ones. So I have my sweet potatoes and also potatoes. So in this drawer, I actually need to refill a little bit on the oranges and apples because we have those on a daily. But this is for oranges. Then we have apples, pears, red pepper, and also bananas. I love to have my bananas in the fridge because it lasts longer and then it's cold for the smoothies. And then here we have backup of celery. I'm gonna pre-cut this tonight so I can make my celery juice tomorrow. Then here we have carrots. We also have garlic and onion right here. So I am just so satisfied with the end result. I think I will have to get one more of these organizer right here, the medium-sized one, so I can have one here. But I don't eat a lot of bread, so I barely use anything here. I am a smoothie girl, fruit girl, so this is kind of my section. Everything will be listed down below so you can check it out. I will also try to find some similar items for those of you who are not able to buy these containers. I will try to find some similar ones on eBay or Amazon. So we ended up having our Coke here. I have an obsession with Coke. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm trying to not drink as many, but for the weekends and stuff, I always need to have myself a Coke. And up here we have the Capri Sun, a bunch of them. This is the Safari one, and then at the top right here we have some strawberry juice and also an orange juice. And in the door here we have some smoothies. So these are raspberry and strawberry smoothies, and these are so yummy. So I just got a couple of those. And then I also keep my vitamins right here, but this I already have shown you. So that was everything in this video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully you got a little bit inspired to organize your fridge yourself. I am so happy with the end result. I love how everything turned out, and I also love that I'm now able to see every single thing in my fridge and everything looks so appealing, and I really want to eat more fruits and veg when I see them all cut nice. I know everything is pre-washed and everything is ready to go. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more organization videos, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and put on your post notifications so you will not miss a future upload. I will also have a new organized video up very soon where we will organize the kitchen cabinets, the drawers, my beauty room, my makeup collection, and everything pretty much in my house. So we will pretty much organize my life and everything in the entire house that has bothered me for the past weeks. So be sure to keep an eye out for that one. And without further ado, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.